Okay, so today we are doing basically what we've been doing, but we are just adding, comparing numbers to it. So can anyone remember, I'm going to pull this down, make sure that I can hear me. Remember what these symbols mean? Carmen?
The two ones that are, those two are, which one's bigger and which one's less.
Okay, good. And what's this?
And that is equal to.
Is equal to. Good. So those, we use those to compare numbers. The alligator eats which number? You can all tell me. Huh? The bigger number. The gator wants to eat. So the open part is always going to eat your number. So it's going, nom. Okay, so I'm going to give you two numbers, and you're on your board going to write what symbol would go in between. Okay, and you're going to hold it up and show it to me. Okay, so if I have, I'm going to put a circle. That's where you're going to put your symbol, okay? Now, when we're comparing numbers, what place value do we start with to see if they're, which number's bigger? Which place value do we start with? Corbin?
The one.
Which one is, it's the opposite of when you're adding, Bailey?
It's
The biggest place value, right? So I'm always going to start in the biggest place value, the one closest to the left, okay? So I always start in the biggest place value. So which one of these is bigger, the 4 or the 6? Carmen? The 6. So you automatically know this number is bigger. So which way would I put my little, show me, which way you put your little thing? Show me. Hold your board up. All right, good. You want McCray, you want to come right up here for us?
Well, don't put them right up there.
You're writing on your board and showing me.
You can do this.
And you can use your hands. Yeah, you could. Good. So his gator is eating the bigger number. Perfect. That's exactly what we're doing. Okay? Let's do a couple.
I'm gonna my hand if that's okay.
Okay, that's fine.
So don't write it with your pencil.
Okay. Now this is going to be a little bit harder. You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Go to thousands.
Ooh. Okay. Look at them closely. Remember, starting the biggest place value. And you're going to figure out which number is bigger or smaller. And which way for symbol. Okay, turn your boards and show them to me. I love you're using your hand signals. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, so let's talk about this. Who wants to come show us what we do? How we figured this out. Not just a symbol, how we figured it out. Corbin, bring your marker. How do we figure out which number is bigger?
Starting from the thousand place and going all the way down until you find something that's not the same.
Exactly. So show it. Tell it to us. So in the thousands place in each number, you have a what?
A 3, and in the hundreds, you have a 1.
Okay.
And you can see these two numbers aren't the same, and 3 is bigger, so you would.
Perfect. I couldn't have said it better myself. Good job. Go flip up. And McCray, you can flip up for coming up and doing the previous one. Good. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes.
How we figure that out?
No, I'll raise my hand first.
For what? Yeah, are you?
Who wants to come up?
Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. All right, let's do another one. I have to roll back over here. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Ah, put too many commas.
I can,
Okay, look at this one. Move out of your way. Okay, let's see. Okay, Max, you want to come explain it to us? Okay, come tell us.
taking this thing off.
Maybe they'll let you sit in the corner. You gotta take that up with your mama. Okay, we'll talk about it in a minute. Okay, Max, explain to us this problem. Go get your marker. Bring your marker with you. Yeah, use your own and then we'll wipe them off. Then nobody's turn. Okay.
So you can't take, these two numbers are the same.
Mm-hmm.
And these two numbers are the same, so they stay.
Uh-huh.
And the 9 and the 8 aren't.
Perfect.
And you count up, and then you just,
So which number's bigger, the 9 or the 8?
yeah.
The 9. So that tells you what your gator needs to eat, right? Because that number's bigger. Good. Perfect. Excellent. Good. So he started from the thousands place and said this number's the same. This number's the same. Okay, these two are different. So this one's bigger. So the gator has to eat the bigger number. Okay?
It sounds like he said piggy's counting up.
You know, but these things you can't tell what we say. Okay, Bailey.
So now that you've done on the boys, let's go on the girl.
Okay.
Now that you've caught on all the boys, maybe we'll put on the girl.
Maybe it's your turn. Okay, let's do another one. Good job.
This one, can I do it?
I'm gonna let everybody have a turn.
And I'm going to laugh.
You don't know that. Okay, let's try this one.
I'm always laughing at everything.
Oh my goodness gracious.
But I'm the first at supper because as soon as I get home, I do my homework at the table. I play on my phone at the table.
Are you
And
looking
then
at this problem?
And then it's supper time, and I'm still at the table with my phone. And then after supper, I go in my room, watch YouTube in my floor.
Okay, well we're recording this for Balin and Carson, so maybe.
Try not to make it as long as math as possible.
Yeah, let's be looking at the problem and figure out which way you need to put your gator. Okay, Bailey, you ready? Come show us what to do. Come show us what to do.
So your thousands place is the same, your tens place is the same, your hundreds place is the same, your tens place is the same. But the difference is in ones place.
Good.
9 is bigger than 7, so we get over that.
Perfect. Couldn't say it better myself. Go flip up. Make sure they can see that on there. So she said the gator would go this way because this number, you go all the way down the line, the 5, and they both have a 5 in the thousands place, a 9 in the hundreds place, a 2 in the tens place, and then come to the ones place, and that's where they're different. So the 7 and the 9 is, we did it the wrong way. No, we did it the right way. That's right. The 9 is bigger, so the gator's will go this way, and he's going to eat the bigger number. Okay. Next. Y'all remember this pretty well, don't you?
Yeah, it's really easy.
Okay, ready to move on to the next thing?
Yes.
Okay, next. That's comparing numbers. So you compare numbers using your gators. Okay, gator always eats the bigger number. Start in the highest place value. Compare your numbers till you find one that's different. See which one's bigger. Make the gator eat that number. Good?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Okay. Now on you're also just reviewing today adding. Okay? And renaming, regrouping, we know what all that means. Okay? So if I have this number, this one's actually, we're just going to do a couple. This is number 7 on your paper. Okay?
We don't have our paper.
That's okay. You can, I'm going to leave it up here, and you can write it down when you get it. Actually, I'll come and bring it to you right now. Whoop. Let me move that where that person you can see it. Okay, so this is number 7 on your paper. We're going to go over.
What's that 7 done?
Number 7 on your paper.
Oh.
You just move your whiteboards to the side and put your marker and stuff on top.
I
We'll
thought
leave
we
them there for class, okay? And we're going to talk through this. Okay. So, if we're going to add, what place value do we start with? We're going to add. We always start where? The ones, the smallest place value, the ones, okay? So, 3 plus 9. What's 3 plus 9? Yell it at me.
12.
12. Can I write down 12 right here?
No.
What do I need to do?
2.
Just yell it at me.
2. Right. 2 at the there and a 1 at the 4.
Carry the 1, right? Take your, it's a set of 10. Because if you have a number 12, right? You have a set of 10 in the tens place, and you have 2 ones. So in this number, you want to put the ones in the ones place and carry your set of 10 to the next column. Okay? Okay? So then you're moving to the next place. So you have 4 and 1 is what? 5 plus 6 more is 11. So what do I do? Can I write 11 down? No. So write down the 1. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is what?
8.
8 plus 0 is what?
8.
8. Good. Put my comma. Don't forget your comma. You have a comma here. Put your comma down here. Represent thousands. Okay. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. Number 7 should be 9,812. For your line, we're doing number 7 together, baby girl. Write it down on your paper. Okay. Who wants to come do number 8? Bailey, you already did one, didn't you? Yeah. Coraline, you want to come do number 8? I'm going to write it up here for you. Number 8 is 2,746 plus
5,178.
thanks. Okay, Coraline, come show us how it's done. Bring your marker.
Okay, so 6 plus 8. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. We have 4, drag them right there. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12.
Put your 2. Carry your 1. Good.
7 plus 4 equals 8 plus 4 equals 9. 2 plus 5. And
That's fine.
two plus 5.
Yep.
5, 6, 7. And you have 7, 5, and 948.
Good. Okay. Everybody get that? Number 8?
Yes.
Everybody good with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Coraline, you can flip up.
Oh, yeah, I was about to say everybody else got to click up.
Okay. That makes sense? Hey, Carmen, you're number 9. Let me write her down. Hey, everybody have this written down on their papers?
Yes,
Okay. I'm going to erase the first one. Since maybe everybody's had time to do that one. Okay, this is number 9 on your paper.
Sorry. It's canceled.
This is worksheet page 79 for those of you that are watching. Okay, number 9, 8,762. Yes, ma'am.
I think this is working for 75.
What did I say?
79.
75, page 75. It might have got blurry from this. I'm not sure. Thought that's what I said, but I might not have.
Is that backwards for them?
I don't think so. Does it show up right on your screen? When you?
Yeah.
It just does that to me. Hey, Carmen's going to do number 9 for us, so talk us through it.
2 plus 1 is 3.
Uh-huh.
6 plus 9 is 15.
Uh-huh.
Okay, add the 1 up there above the 7.
Mhm.
7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1 is add the 1 up here. 8 plus 3 is 11, and then it will be 12. So 1,200.
Yeah.
12,653.
Good job. Beautiful. Anybody have any questions about that?
4 minutes.
You have a question? Okay, good. So when you get to your last numbers and you're adding, if you have nowhere else, really what you would do, is you'd put your 2 and write your 1 over here, and then there's nothing else to add to your 1, so you just write 1. But you don't have to do that. You know that there's no more columns of numbers, so you just write both digits. Does that make sense? Okay. I'm going to let you finish page 75. If you have a question on any problem, raise your hand and I want to come help you, okay? Okay, go ahead and do it. See what you can get done. Okay, you're going to finish page 75 for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.